10 signs you're in survival mode, but you look successful. Today we are not going to be dramatic. We are not going to be tragic. We are not going to be heavy. We are going to be honest, human, and a little bit funny. Because survival mode doesn't always look like chaos. Sometimes it looks like success. Sometimes it looks like productivity. Sometimes it looks like lipstick, business, a calendar full of meetings, and a smile. So today I want to share something simple. Not therapy, not psychology class, not motivation talk. Just real life. Here are 10 signs you're in survival mode and you don't even realize it. Sign 1. You're always busy, ask me, but never rested. Not productive, not fulfilled, just tired with a calendar. Sign 2. You feel guilty when you relax, like rest has to be earned, like peace is a reward. Sign 3. You're strong, but you're exhausted. And everyone admires your strength, but no one sees your nervous system. Sign 4. You don't really feel your body anymore. You only feel your responsibilities. Sign 5. You're always fine. Fine, busy, fine, tired, fine, surviving. Sign 6. You look successful, but you don't feel safe. Sign 7. You can't slow down because slowing down feels like danger. Feels dangerous. Sign 8. You don't celebrate wins. You move straight to the next problem. Sign 9. Your mind is always planning, fixing, preparing, protecting. You know what I'm talking about. Even in the middle of the night, it's 3 a.m. Sign 10. You don't live, you manage life. If you recognized yourself, congratulations. You're not broken, you're not weak, you're not failing. You're just in survival mode. And no, this isn't about quitting life, work, business, or ambition. It's about learning how to live without constantly protecting yourself from life. Survival mode doesn't make you bad. It makes you actually efficient. But efficiency is not the same as peace. This is out of survival, not therapy, not motivation, not self-help performance. Just real life, real people, real pressure, real transformation, while life is still happening. If this episode resonates with you, subscribe to our channel. Follow Iveta and Simone. This series is growing every week and this is just the beginning. So, see you next week, hopefully with Simone. See ya. Bye.